everybody, it's Will.
Music videos, Rainforest. Okay, kids, here we go. We're here, everybody. Uh-oh, quicksand. I'd better find another place to park. Check out that view.
There's a place where the trees form a tall canopy, and the birds and frogs sing in chorus. Where the snakes and monkeys play, and the rain won't go away. Way down south in the tropical rainforest. It's always hot in the tropical rainforest. Full of life, it's the tropical rainforest.
I can't wait to start exploring. See you later.
See ya. So long.
Awesome! We're in a tropical rainforest. It's warm here all the time, and it rains a lot too. Look how tall the trees are. The rainforest has different layers. I'm in the bottom layer, the forest floor. It's the darkest because the trees block most of the sun. That's the canopy layer. It's where the treetops come together. Think of it as the rainforest's roof. Some trees stick out above the canopy, and that's called the emergent layer. Lots of birds and monkeys live up there. A call from Frankie, asking what we need to do to finish the contest sheet. I'll start checking out the rainforest.
Hi, kids. Let's look over the contest sheet and see what we have to do. Leafcutter ants, Tamandua anteater, DT monkey, camera.
I'm a beautiful zebra butterfly. I'm an insect. I love to sip nectar from the insides of flowers. There are lots of flowers in the rainforest.
Now good call, zebra butterfly. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Back to the
Buenos dias. I'm a Tamandua anteater. I climb the trees and look for nests filled with delicious ants. I open the nests with my big claws and use my long, sticky tongue to eat up the ants. Wanna join me for lunch?
Help the anteater find as many insect nests as possible. Click on the ant.
Please, click on the ants. I'm hungry. Thanks for helping me eat those tasty ants. Let's find another nest. There are still more ants to eat. Thanks for helping me eat those tasty ants. Let's find another nest. Good. Please, click on the ants.
anteater ate. Do you want to play again? No.
This contest sheet is filling up fast. Leaf cutter ants. Back to
Hi, we're leafcutter ants. I'm one of the workers. And I'm one of the minimas. We've got lots of work to do. Why don't you come along? First, we've got to cut some nice juicy pieces off of this leaf. Click on the help button to learn how to play. Click anywhere to begin. Help the worker ant cut out pieces of the leaf. Hold down the mouse button and move the ant to cut out a piece of the leaf. You'll earn 1 point for each piece of leaf you cut out. Cut out as many pieces as you like. The more, the better. Click on the done button when you're finished. That's perfect! Let's cut out another one. Come on now, let's cut some leaves. Yeah, cut that leaf. You're such a good helper. Come on now, let's cut some leaves. Come on now, let's cut some leaves. You're such a good helper. Come on now, let's cut some leaves. Yeah, cut that leaf. Yeah, cut that leaf. Yeah, cut that leaf. You're such a good helper. That's perfect. Let's cut out another one. Here are the points you earned. Do you want to play again? No. The work's just getting started. Now, we have to collect all the leaf pieces and get them to the nest. All right, on your back, and keep an eye out for that fly. That's the spirit, little sister. We leafcutter ants are moving targets for that horrid fly. It always tries to lay eggs on us. If that happens, the egg will hatch, and that baby fly will eat us up. Animals that live off other animals that are still alive are called parasites. Click on the help button to learn how to play. Click anywhere to begin. That's not good. Yahoo! Yeehaw! We're moving now. That's not good. Uh-oh, fly! Hey!
the all-over rover.
Hello to you all. I am a poisoned arrow frog. I'm an amphibian. How did I get my name? My skin makes a special poison.
Click on the spider. Good call. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture. Poison arrow frog.
I am a jaguar, the biggest cat in the rainforest. I can prowl on the ground, and I can climb high up in the trees. I'm a predator. I eat just about any other animal here. Bugs, anteaters, birds, you name it.
Giant tarantula here. I am not an insect. I am an arachnid.
Nice picture. Click on the This is an animal.
I am an iguana, one of the reptiles that lives here in the rainforest. I can use my tail like a whip to defend myself against bigger animals. I'm a boa constrictor. Like all snakes, I'm a reptile.
Click on the Terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Boa constrictor. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hey, I'm a two-toed sloth. I'm kind of a green color. That's because tiny plants called...
Click Terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Two-toed sloth. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
It's spider monkey time! I'm a primate just like you. My long arms and legs help me swing through the trees to find fruit.
Nice Terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Spider monkey. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
I'm a Toto toucan. You can recognize me by my big yellow bill.
Click on Terrific. That's exactly where the picture belongs. Topo Toucan. You've earned 10 points for taking a correct picture.
Hello, hello, hello! I'm a macaw, one of the most beautiful birds in the rainforest. Palm nuts are one of my favorites. We're Titi monkeys.
Earn 1 point for each piece of fruit. See how many pieces.
Yup, it's good. This will do just fine. Yummy fruit. Got it. Yup, it's good. Got it. This will do just yummy fruit. Yup, it's good. We need to get this fruit back to the babies.
Here are the points you earned. Do you want to play again?
Say bye, kids.
Great work! The Rainforest contest sheet is all filled in. Your reward? A page for your Animal Arts and Crafts book.
Butterfly Sun Catchers. Your Animal Arts and Crafts book is right here. Click on it to see the pages you've earned. Click on another habitat.
好啊，我
Click
是
on the
喇
sticker
叭。
book when you're ready to trade some of those points for stickers.